Competitive landscape, global positioning of OpenAI's o3-mini model in AI by 2026. Introduction. OpenAI recently unveiled its latest AI model o3-mini, a strategic advancement designed to enhance its competitive positioning against major players like Google, Amazon, and Apple by 2026. As an evolution of the earlier o1 series, this model promises significant improvements in reasoning capabilities, particularly in areas such as scientific research, advanced coding, and virtual assistants. This report delves into the features, competitive dynamics, and implications of the o3-mini model for the AI landscape. Key features and positioning. The o3-mini model is engineered to excel in complex reasoning tasks, boasting impressive benchmarks with an accuracy of 96.7% in mathematical problems, 87.7% in scientific queries, and 71.7% in programming tasks. This positions OpenAI to compete directly with established virtual assistants like Apple's Siri and Amazon's Alexa. The introduction of a new tasks feature within ChatGPT signifies OpenAI's entry into the virtual assistant market, enabling a more integrated and responsive AI experience for users. Timeline of events. December 2024, OpenAI announces the upcoming o3 model, capturing attention for its complex reasoning capabilities. January 2025, the o3-mini is released to free ChatGPT users, marking a democratization of advanced AI capabilities. January 2025, OpenAI secures $6.6 billion in funding, primarily from Microsoft, bolstering its AI development efforts. Competitive landscape. The AI market is experiencing a heightened competition, with both OpenAI's o3-mini and Google's Gemini 2.0 reflecting a broader trend toward enhancing AI offerings through advanced reasoning capabilities. OpenAI's substantial funding underscores the competitive stakes, potentially leading to market consolidation among tech giants as they race to innovate. Funding and market dynamics. OpenAI's $6.6 billion funding, largely from Microsoft, emphasizes the high stakes in the AI industry. This financial backing not only supports the development of the o3-mini but also positions OpenAI to explore new markets and capabilities. The substantial investment highlights a trend where strategic funding is critical for advancing AI technologies. Benchmark performance versus real-world application. While the o3-mini demonstrates impressive benchmark results, experts caution against equating high performance with real-world effectiveness. The complexities of real-world applications often exceed those represented in benchmark datasets, leading to potential discrepancies between expected and actual performance. Observations indicate that while benchmarks signal AI progress, they do not guarantee business value or real-world applicability. Differences between sources. Several sources provide varied perspectives on the o3-mini model. 1. Cost considerations. One source emphasizes the high operational costs of running the o3-mini, suggesting that this could hinder widespread adoption. In contrast, other sources focus primarily on its capabilities, downplaying cost implications. 2. User experience and accessibility. Another source highlights the model's accessibility to free ChatGPT users, indicating a move towards democratizing AI technology. Other analyses approach the topic from a more technical or competitive perspective. Implications for the AI industry. The launch of the o3-mini marks a strategic move for OpenAI, aiming to solidify its leadership in AI innovation, especially in virtual assistants. Analysts suggest that while significant advancements are evident, maintaining realistic expectations regarding the model's capabilities is crucial, as true general intelligence remains a long-term goal. The discussions surrounding the model also raise critical questions about ethics, bias, and the implications of AI integration into everyday tasks. Future trends in AI. 1. Integration of AI in daily life. The o3-mini model's introduction reflects a broader trend toward integrating AI into daily tasks and devices. As OpenAI expands its influence, the focus on virtual assistants will likely become a defining characteristic of future AI applications. 2. Economic and workforce transformations. The integration of advanced AI models like o3-mini is expected to reshape job markets, with roles increasingly focusing on AI training and oversight. As the AI landscape evolves, regulatory frameworks will also need to adapt to manage the growing impact of these technologies. Expert opinions. Experts provide varied insights into the o3-mini model. Brian Hopkins from Forrester Research warns against hasty expectations of breakthroughs toward artificial general intelligence (AGI), emphasizing the importance of responsible AI development. Matt Marshall from VentureBeat highlights the impressive performance of the model on benchmarks but raises concerns about the computational costs that may limit widespread adoption. Dr. Gary Marcus, an AI researcher, views the o3-mini as an incremental advancement, pointing out the limitations that persist within AI technology despite its evolution. Public reactions. Public reactions to the announcement of the o3-mini have been mixed, with excitement about its potential capabilities tempered by concerns over the associated costs. Discussions on various platforms highlight barriers to accessibility, with some arguing that these expenses could widen the gap between tech giants and smaller companies. Nonetheless, the introduction of the Tasks feature has garnered positive reactions, signaling a shift toward more integrated and useful AI applications. Conclusion. OpenAI's o3-mini model represents a significant advancement in the AI landscape, poised to redefine competitive dynamics within the sector. By focusing on enhanced reasoning abilities and virtual assistance features, OpenAI is strategically positioning itself against major competitors while aiming to democratize access to advanced AI technologies. However, as the industry continues to evolve, challenges related to cost, real-world applicability, and ethical considerations will need to be navigated carefully to realize the full potential of AI innovations. In summary, while the o3-mini model showcases impressive advancements in reasoning capabilities, its success in real-world applications and its impact on the competitive landscape remains to be seen as OpenAI continues its journey toward achieving practical, scalable AI solutions. OpenAI's o3-mini model is generating considerable attention as it prepares to launch in early 2025. It positions itself as a significant contender in the competitive landscape of artificial intelligence, particularly against tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Apple. However, several aspects of this development reveal counterintuitive insights that challenge common perceptions about AI advancements. 1. High benchmark performance versus real-world effectiveness. A crucial point of contention is the relationship between performance on benchmark datasets and real-world applications. While the o3-mini boasts impressive accuracy rates, 96.7% in math, 87.7% in science, and 71.7% in programming, experts caution that these metrics do not necessarily translate into effective solutions for real-world problems. High performance in controlled tests doesn't guarantee that the model will handle the complexities of everyday tasks effectively. This highlights a systemic issue in AI development. Models can be engineered to excel in benchmarks while falling short in practical application. 2. Cost implications and accessibility. Despite its advanced capabilities, the o3-mini comes with a significant price tag. Reports indicate that running the model could cost between $17 to $20 for visual reasoning tasks, with high compute modes potentially costing thousands. This poses a paradox. While the model represents cutting-edge technology, its operational costs may limit its accessibility, especially for smaller organizations or individuals. The notion that advanced AI will democratize technology is challenged by the financial barriers associated with utilizing such models, thus potentially widening the gap between large tech companies and smaller entities. 3. Perception of AI reliability. Interestingly, there's a psychological aspect to AI interactions that complicates user trust. As AI models like o3-mini achieve higher accuracy, users may develop a false sense of reliability, leading them to overlook errors. The irony lies in the observation that as AI improves, human oversight may diminish, potentially resulting in a greater risk of undetected mistakes. This counterintuitive dynamic suggests that enhanced performance could paradoxically lead to less diligence in critical evaluations of AI outputs. 4. The competitive landscape. While OpenAI's o3-mini aims to position itself against established models like Google's Gemini 2.0, it also highlights a broader trend of consolidation within the AI industry. With substantial backing from Microsoft, OpenAI's advancements may inadvertently contribute to a less competitive market. As funding and resources become concentrated among a few major players, smaller startups could struggle to keep pace, creating an oligopoly rather than a diverse competitive landscape. This contradicts the narrative that AI advancements will inherently promote innovation across a wide range of companies. 5. Ethical considerations and safety. The release of o3-mini does not come without concerns regarding safety and ethical implications. As the model demonstrates advanced reasoning capabilities, questions arise about its potential for misuse and the challenges associated with regulatory oversight. The model is noted to be better at jailbreaking and challenging safety evaluations, indicating that increased sophistication also introduces new risks. This complicates the perception that more advanced AI is inherently safer, rather it may lead to greater challenges in ensuring responsible use. 6. Incremental advancement versus breakthrough innovation. Experts like Dr. Gary Marcus express caution about labeling the o3-mini as a groundbreaking innovation. Instead, they argue that it represents an incremental step within a broader context of ongoing AI development. This perspective challenges the common expectation that each new model release will lead to significant leaps in capabilities. The reality is that while improvements are notable, they often do not signify a departure from existing limitations of AI technology. 7. User experience and intuition. The introduction of the tasks feature in the ChatGPT ecosystem represents a move towards enhancing user experience, yet it also raises questions about usability. As models like o3-mini become more complex, ensuring intuitive interactions becomes paramount. The paradox here is that while AI aims to simplify tasks, the intricacies of advanced models may create new hurdles for users who are not equipped to navigate them effectively. This challenges the narrative that AI advancements will always lead to user-friendly solutions. In conclusion, the emergence of OpenAI's o3-mini model presents a multifaceted landscape rife with counterintuitive insights. The relationship between benchmark performance and real-world effectiveness, the implications of cost and accessibility, and the psychological dynamics of user trust all underscore the complexities of AI development. As the competitive landscape evolves, the consolidation of power among major players and the ethical challenges posed by advanced models further complicate the narrative of progress in artificial intelligence. These factors collectively suggest that the journey towards meaningful AI integration is fraught with challenges that extend beyond mere technological advancements. Important content overlooked in the report on OpenAI's o3-mini model. The report on OpenAI's o3-mini model provides extensive insights into the competitive landscape of AI by 2026. Yet there are several critical aspects that many readers may overlook. These points not only have implications for the future of AI but also highlight the broader context within which OpenAI operates. Here are some of those significant yet often overlooked elements. 1. Real-world application versus benchmark performance. One of the most crucial nuances that readers might miss is the distinction between performance on benchmark datasets and real-world applicability. The report underscores that while OpenAI's o3-mini achieves impressive benchmark scores, 96.7% accuracy in math, 87.7% in science, and 71.7% in programming, these metrics do not necessarily translate into effectiveness in real-world scenarios. Significance: this distinction is vital because organizations often rush to adopt AI solutions based on benchmark performance without understanding their limitations in practical applications. The complexities of real-world tasks can lead to unexpected challenges that benchmarks do not capture, such as contextual understanding and adaptability. This could lead to disenchantment and mistrust in AI systems, particularly if outcomes do not meet high expectations set by benchmark results. 2. Operational costs and accessibility. The report mentions that the o3-mini model incurs high operational costs, with estimates ranging from $17 to $20 per task in low compute mode, potentially escalating into thousands of dollars for high compute tasks. However, the broader implications of these costs on accessibility and widespread adoption are not thoroughly explored. Significance: this cost barrier could exacerbate existing inequalities in access to advanced AI technologies, particularly affecting startups and smaller companies that cannot afford such expenditures. If only large enterprises can leverage these powerful AI tools. It raises questions about market monopolization and the democratization of AI technology. This could stifle innovation and limit the diversity of applications that could emerge from a broader base of users. 3. Ethical considerations and biases. While the report touches upon ethical considerations and the need for responsible AI development, it does not delve deeply into the specific biases inherent in benchmark datasets and how these might manifest in the o3-mini model. Significance: as AI models are increasingly integrated into decision-making processes across various sectors, biases can lead to serious ethical dilemmas and societal consequences. Understanding these biases is essential for ensuring that AI systems promote fairness and equity. The report's lack of emphasis on the ethical implications of deploying AI, especially in sensitive areas like hiring, law enforcement, and healthcare, could lead to significant oversights in policymaking and implementation. 4. Potential for self-improvement and autonomy. The report notes that the o3-mini model is rated as medium risk concerning its autonomy, suggesting that it has greater potential for self-improvement compared to previous models. However, the implications of this self-improvement capability are not adequately discussed. Significance: the potential for AI models to improve autonomously raises concerns about control and predictability. If AI systems can evolve beyond their original programming, it could lead to unforeseen behaviors that challenge existing regulatory frameworks. Policymakers and technologists need to address these risks proactively to avoid scenarios where AI systems operate outside of human oversight or ethical guidelines. 5. Market dynamics and oligopoly risks. The report highlights OpenAI's substantial $6.6 billion funding and its competitive positioning against giants like Google, Amazon, and Apple. However, it does not explicitly address the implications of these dynamics for market competition. Significance: the trend towards consolidation in the AI sector, where a few companies dominate, poses risks for innovation and competition. This could lead to an oligopoly where smaller players struggle to compete, stifling diversity in AI applications and limiting the potential benefits of technological advancements to a select few. Recognizing these dynamics is crucial for stakeholders to foster a competitive environment that encourages innovation across the board. 6. Integration of AI in everyday tasks. The report discusses the introduction of the Tasks feature for ChatGPT, positioning OpenAI directly against established virtual assistants. However, it overlooks the broader implications of AI integration into daily life and how this might change consumer behavior. Significance: as AI systems become more integrated into everyday tasks, there are significant implications for user experience, privacy, and data security. Users may not fully grasp the extent to which their interactions are being logged and analyzed, raising concerns about consent and data protection. Understanding these implications is critical for developing AI systems that respect user privacy while enhancing convenience. 7. Long-term vision and realistic expectations. Lastly, while the report mentions the long-term goal of achieving artificial general intelligence (AGI), it does not emphasize the importance of maintaining realistic expectations regarding the timeline for these advancements. Significance: many stakeholders, including investors and consumers, may have inflated expectations about the capabilities of AI. Overhyping technological advancements can lead to disillusionment when results do not meet expectations. A clear communication strategy that sets realistic timelines and goals is essential for maintaining trust in AI technologies. Conclusion: OpenAI's o3-mini model is poised to make significant waves in the AI landscape. Yet several critical nuances are often overlooked in discussions surrounding its implications. Understanding the distinctions between benchmark performance and real-world applicability, the ethical considerations surrounding biases, the risks of market consolidation, and the need for realistic expectations can provide a more comprehensive picture of the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead in the AI sector. Addressing these overlooked elements is crucial for stakeholders aiming to navigate the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence responsibly and effectively. 1. Key features and positioning of the o3-mini model. OpenAI's o3-mini introduces advanced capabilities, particularly in complex reasoning tasks, marking a significant leap from its predecessors. The model is designed to excel in areas such as scientific research, advanced coding, and virtual assistants, aiming to compete with established virtual assistants like Apple's Siri and Amazon's Alexa. Notably, the model showcases impressive benchmark performance, achieving 96.7% accuracy in math, 87.7% in science, and 71.7% in programming tasks. This positioning strengthens OpenAI's competitive stance in the AI landscape, especially against major players like Google, which has launched its own advanced models. 2. Financial backing and market dynamics. OpenAI's launch of the o3-mini is underpinned by substantial financial support, particularly a $6.6 billion investment from Microsoft. This funding not only enhances OpenAI's development capabilities but also reflects the high stakes involved in the competitive AI industry. The influx of capital is likely to lead to market consolidation, where established tech giants dominate the landscape, potentially sidelining smaller players. The economic implications of this funding extend beyond OpenAI, indicating broader trends in the AI sector where significant resources are required to maintain technological advancements and competitive positioning. 3. Challenges of real-world application. Despite its impressive benchmark performance, experts caution that high scores on standardized tests do not guarantee effectiveness in real-world scenarios. The complexity of real-world tasks often surpasses the parameters of benchmark datasets, leading to discrepancies between model performance in controlled tests versus practical applications. Furthermore, the operational costs associated with running the o3-mini model are significant, potentially limiting its accessibility and widespread adoption. This highlights the need for careful consideration of the model's practical utility and cost-effectiveness in various applications. 4. Ethical considerations and future implications. The introduction of the o3-mini raises critical discussions about ethics, bias, and the implications of AI integration into daily life. As AI models become more integrated into various sectors, the potential for bias and ethical dilemmas increases, necessitating robust frameworks for responsible AI development. The challenges of ensuring fairness and mitigating biases in AI outputs underscore the importance of ethical considerations in the design and deployment of AI technologies. Looking ahead, the broader implications of the o3-mini for the AI industry suggest a continued push towards advanced reasoning capabilities, with a focus on balancing innovation with ethical responsibilities. 1. The rise of IBM's Watson in healthcare. IBM's Watson was launched in 2011 with the aim of revolutionizing healthcare through advanced data analysis and reasoning capabilities. It gained fame for defeating human champions on the quiz show Jeopardy, and was then positioned as a tool for medical professionals to assist in diagnosis and treatment recommendations. However, despite initial excitement and substantial investment, Watson faced significant challenges in real-world healthcare applications, with reports of its recommendations often lacking accuracy and not translating effectively into clinical practice. The journey of Watson highlights the complexities of translating benchmark performance into real-world effectiveness, much like the challenges that OpenAI's models might face. 2. NVIDIA's graphics processing units GPUs and the AI boom. NVIDIA's GPUs played a pivotal role in the AI revolution of the 2010s, enabling the training of complex machine learning models at unprecedented speeds. As AI gained traction, NVIDIA positioned itself as a leader in AI hardware, significantly impacting the competitive landscape of AI by providing the necessary computational power for deep learning. This strategic move not only solidified NVIDIA's market share but also spurred a wave of innovations across various industries, including autonomous driving and gaming. Just as OpenAI's o3-mini aims to carve out a substantial role in AI through advanced reasoning capabilities, NVIDIA's hardware became foundational for the AI boom, illustrating how competitive positioning can be influenced by technological advancements and market dynamics. 3. The competition between Microsoft and Google in cloud computing. The rivalry between Microsoft and Google in the cloud computing space showcases how strategic positioning and substantial investments can shape market dynamics. Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud Platform GCP have engaged in a fierce battle for market share, with both companies continuously enhancing their offerings to attract enterprise clients. Microsoft's acquisition of GitHub and LinkedIn, along with significant investments in AI and machine learning, have strengthened its cloud capabilities. Similarly, Google has leveraged its data analytics and machine learning expertise to enhance GCP. This competitive landscape mirrors the dynamics seen in the AI sector, where companies like OpenAI and Google are racing to innovate and capture market share with advanced models like o3-mini and Gemini 2.0. Reflecting how enhancements in capabilities can significantly impact competitive positioning. Future outlook: competitive landscape of OpenAI's o3-mini model by 2026. As we look ahead to 2026, the competitive landscape of artificial intelligence is anticipated to undergo significant transformations, particularly with the emergence of OpenAI's o3-mini model. This model, set to redefine AI capabilities, is positioned to challenge established players like Google, Amazon, and Apple. Here are key predictions for the future dynamics of the AI market. 1. Enhanced market share and positioning. OpenAI's o3-mini is expected to capture a substantial market share by leveraging its advanced reasoning capabilities. By targeting complex tasks in scientific research and coding, which traditional models struggle with, OpenAI is likely to attract a diverse user base, including academics, developers, and businesses seeking sophisticated AI solutions. 2. Competitive responses from giants. Tech giants such as Google and Amazon will likely ramp up their AI initiatives in response to the launch of o3-mini. Google may enhance its Gemini models, focusing on complex reasoning and integration of generative AI capabilities. Amazon is expected to upgrade Alexa and its cloud services, making them more competitive against OpenAI's offerings. This competitive pressure could lead to a flurry of innovations as companies strive to maintain or enhance their market positions. 3. Cost dynamics and accessibility. As OpenAI navigates the operational costs associated with o3-mini, pricing strategies will be crucial. While the model is touted to be cheaper than its predecessor, the high computational costs could hinder widespread adoption among smaller companies and individual users. By 2026, we may see OpenAI exploring tiered pricing models or partnerships to make its technology more accessible, aiming to democratize AI use across various sectors. 4. Evolution of AI applications. The introduction of tasks within the ChatGPT framework signals a shift towards practical applications of AI in everyday life. By 2026, we can expect to see o3-mini integrated into various consumer and enterprise applications, enhancing productivity tools, virtual assistants, and educational platforms. This trend will likely lead to more personalized and context-aware AI experiences, further embedding AI in daily tasks. 5. Ethical considerations and governance. As AI technologies evolve, ethical implications will become increasingly significant. OpenAI and its competitors will face scrutiny regarding bias safety and the societal impacts of their models. By 2026, we can anticipate the establishment of more robust ethical frameworks and governance policies within the AI industry to address these concerns. This may include greater transparency in AI operations and collaborations with regulatory bodies to ensure responsible AI deployment. 6. Shift towards collaborative AI. The future may also see a transition towards collaborative AI systems where human and machine intelligence work together more seamlessly. OpenAI's advancements could lead to models that not only perform tasks autonomously but also understand user intent and collaborate with humans to achieve optimal outcomes. This approach could redefine workflows in various industries, enhancing both efficiency and creativity. 7. Continued focus on real-world applications. While o3-mini showcases impressive benchmark performances, the emphasis will shift towards its effectiveness in real-world applications. By 2026, OpenAI and other firms will need to demonstrate how their models can solve practical problems and deliver tangible business value. This focus on real-world utility will be crucial for adoption as businesses seek to integrate AI into their operations. 8. Workforce transformation. As AI capabilities expand, the workforce landscape will inevitably change. By 2026, many roles will evolve to focus on AI oversight, training, and ethical considerations rather than traditional job functions. The demand for professionals skilled in AI ethics, data analysis, and system integration will likely surge, reshaping educational paths and career trajectories in technology and beyond. Conclusion. The future of OpenAI's o3-mini model and the broader AI landscape is poised for significant evolution by 2026. As competitive dynamics intensify, companies will need to focus on innovation, ethical considerations, and real-world applications of AI. OpenAI's strategic positioning and ongoing advancements could redefine industry standards, driving a new era of AI integration into everyday life and business practices. The journey towards a more intelligent and collaborative future is just beginning, and the implications of these developments will be far-reaching across all sectors of society.